So here it is, guys, the Legion Pro, and we are going to talk about the hardware first. So let's take a look at this beautiful Legion Pro. First of all, as you can see, this is an orange rubber band, but we actually included another color in the box. So you also have the black option right for you in the box, and you can choose directly. You don't have to buy another one. It's a lightweight, a beautifully manufactured device. You have two buttons on the side, and the bottom one being customizable. So you can set it for one click or long press to open whatever functions that you like. And it's of course 100% rugged with the highest military standard certification, the MIL STD 810H. It's also fully waterproof with a 5 ATM certification, meaning you can dive deep into the water down to 50 meters with no issue. And the screen is made of Corning Gorilla Glass, so much better than before and very strong to give you extra protection against scratch. It's equipped with a 370 mAh battery, so you can expect a good 10 plus days of usage and even 30 plus days of standby time. It has a beautiful 1.43 inch AMOLED display with a 466 by 466 resolution that gives you 600 nits of brightness, and the Legion Pro has a built-in GPS that will come handy during your outdoor exploration adventures.